Hi everyone. This is my course that I've been working on. So I'm doing mine on the app Seesaw, which is used in like K-12 classrooms. It's something I use all the time in my classroom. It's required for my school. So I'm very familiar with it. So under my content, we'll go there. Um, I have my first module is my introduction, and I have a paragraph kind of listing how the class works. But I'm thinking I might also just want to do like a video to kind of make it a little bit easier and be able to expand a little bit more. I have my design document included as like a syllabus for them to see the outline of the course, and then a discussion post where students can post like questions throughout the course, like module, like if they find something and they're curious, something extra, or they have a problem, that's what that is for. This course is like, it continues to say things like explore this feature. So if they have questions, that's why I called it exploration questions. The second module um, is like an overview of the website and how it looks, how it works, all the basic functions and buttons. So this will be like a screen recorded video that I have not uploaded yet. That just goes through all the features. And my goal was for them to kind of explore it on their own and then take a quiz on the different things that uh, they see on the website. But I'm not really fond of that idea. Like, it's not my favorite activity. So if you have any other suggestions, I would like that. I have thought of doing like a discussion post about what they would like to see improved or different, but let me know what you think. My third module is using the student submissions feature on the website. So there are lots of different ways for students to submit work, different like ways they can present their learning. And so this will be a screen recording as well, explaining it to the learners. And then they have this discussion question to answer um, about creating different prompts for their students to respond to on Seesaw. So they're talking about how they could apply this in their classroom. The fourth module is about assigning activities. So Seesaw has a library of activities that are pre-made by either the company or other teachers, and you can use them for students. So this will have a screen recorded video as well, walking people through where the library of activities is found and how to use it. Um, I don't like that I have so many screen recorded videos for this. I think that's probably why I haven't made them yet because I'm kind of trying to think of something else, but I feel like that's just the best way to do this. Let me know if you have any other thoughts. And then the goal for this practice activity is to look through the library of activities and find several that they would actually use in their class and to assign it to their class. So to go through the steps and assign it. And then they come back here and explain what they assigned, what they hope to get from the what they hope their students get from the activity, and if there was something else they wished was there. And then we have the conclusion module. This has a checklist that I have made where they can go through and make sure they've completed all the activities and they have done everything that this course has asked for them to do. Even though I know like the LMS checks it off as they do it, I think it's a good like mental thing for them to look back at it again. And then there's a conclusion survey to see about if the course was helpful and what should be improved. So yeah, thank you.